There are total 6 evidences are there. First, morphological evidence. Second, anatomical. Third is vestigial. Fourth, connecting link. Fifth, paleontological. And sixth is the embryological evidence are there. Children, you have to remember these name of evidences because many time means 7-8 times this flowchart came in board exam. So it's very important there for you in terms of 2 marks question to complete the flowchart. Okay. So morphological, anatomical, vestigial, connecting link, paleontological and embryological evidences we want to discuss. So let's start one by one. First we will discuss about morphological evidence. Now children, here remember that when we talk about morphological evidence, they will give 3 pictures to you like this. These are 3 animals are there, 3 plants are there. So simply what you have to do, you have to find out what is similarity between them. Okay. If you observe carefully, you will find that the structure of mouth of these 3 animals same there. Okay sir, same there. Second, you see nose, structure of nose same there. Position of eye, see position of eye. Position of eye also somewhat same there. Okay. Structure of mouth, structure of nose, position of eye. If you see this ear pinna there upside, can you see this? This is ear pinna there. Here also same there. So we can say that there are 4 structures: structure of mouth, structure of nose, position of eye, ear pinna. One more character you can find out in this similar there, that all 3 are covered with thick hair, thickly distributed hair there. Hair is present on the body. Getting? So 5 similarities we can observe in case of animals. Somewhat same there in plant. See, in plant if you see the shape of the leaf, see shape of leaf same there. Here also same there. So shape of the leaf same there. Second, on this leaf, if you find out there, venation also same there. Venation means what? If this is leaf there, on leaf that mehndi type design there, no, this arrangement of vein, mehndi design, this is called venation. So this venation also same there. And one more there, this leaf is attached to branch by using some part, this part. It is a stalk of the leaf. It is called as a petiole. So all are having petiole. All 3 are having petiole. So what are similarity in plant? 3 similarity there, sir. 1, leaf shape same there. Leaf shape same there. Second, on leaf that vein design, leaf venation same there. And all are having petiole. Petiole getting everyone. Petiole means stalk of the leaf. This leaf attaches to branch by stalk called as petiole. Clear? So 5 characters of animals and 3 characters of plants you have to learn. Which are 5 characters there? What you find similarity in this? Structure of mouth, structure of nose, position of eye, structure of ear pinna and thick distribution of hair on the body. 3 character of plant which there? Leaf shape, leaf venation, leaf petiole. Same there. So much similarity there in these plants and animals. What it indicates? This indicates that they have a common origin or they developed from common ancestors. You please understand this. These 3 animals are different there, even though their characters are same. These morphological character means understanding external character, outside how they look. So much similarity there. And this similarity when coming? When these animals are having common ancestor, they developed from same origin. Are you getting? So conclusion that only there are. Our conclusion what there? These animals are showing so much similarities. Why they are showing so much similarities? Because they are having common origin and common ancestor. So anywhere now in this topic, no, next all evidences, this you keep in mind. Something similarity there means you have to identify that animals are having common ancestor. Because without common ancestor, that much similarity will not come. So they are showing similarity means they all developed from same origin, common ancestor. Later on they developed in different category. Getting? So 5 characters of plant animals, 3 characters of plant and 2 conclusion. 1, same origin, common ancestor. Is it clear? This is about morphological evidence. Now let's talk about anatomical evidence. Morphological means external characters. Anatomical means internal characters, means inside your body. Now if you see here, this is human hand there. Human hand, 4 leg of ox. 4 leg means front leg. Front leg of ox there. This is a patagium of bat there. And this is flippers of whale. Human hand, 4 leg of ox, patagium of bat, flippers of whale. 3 bone structure I am showing to you. Now, one thing you understand that these 4 organs which we are showing, superficially they will not feel like that differences. If outside you are seeing the human hand and legs, if you see somewhat structure same there. Outside I am talking, external. But inside, if you think inside it looks like this. And interesting what are there? All 4 organs which are there, their function different there. For example, human hand is used for handling purpose to hold something. Ox leg there for walking. Patagium of bat for flying purpose there. This flippers of whale for swimming purpose there. Animals different. Organs different. Function different. All are having different functions. But internally if you see, internally these animals if you see, their bone structure, you will find that if you observe here, they all are having similar type you see. Here see. Same, upside. I give color combination also. Upside, this color you see, this much part see, from here to here, here to here, here see. Similarity there. Here also see, this part, green part, purple part, here also there. So these organs are different, but inside that structure of bone same there. Internally they are having same structure of bones. Not only this, in each organ you will find bone is not continuous. It is joint there. This 1, 2, here joint there, here joint there, here joint there. Jointed bones are there. In all you see, it's not only of human side. Anywhere you see, you will find that structure of bone same there and joints there in organ. Now you imagine one is human there. Human, ox, bat, whale. So much different animals are there. Then too inside them, the structure of bone same there. In there, bony joints there in each organ. Jointed bones there, structure of bone same there. That much similarity, how it is coming? Just now again, that only. Why they are having that much similarity? It means that these animals are also having common ancestor. This line there, this fix here. This similarity indicate that they have common ancestor. Everywhere this line you have to write. That only our conclusion there. Getting? So, when we studied the structure of internal structure, we are talking therefore anatomical word there. Anatomical means inside. So superficially means only on the outer side if you see that much similarity you will not find in them. But when you study their inside, they are having same structure of bones and jointed bones in their organs. This similarity suggests that these animals are evolved from common ancestor. Clear? This is your second evidence there. The evidence there, vestigial organ. It's very simple evidence there, children. One organ there in body called as the appendix. You heard about the appendix word? Appendix is a organ present at the end of large intestine. This is your large intestine there, this hole. Okay? So here you will find one structure there, small. This appendix there, here, not this one. Here, there, here, in this area. So this appendix organ present in human body without any function. You will be surprised that everyone is having appendix, but is not working in your body. Sir, without function, like this also organs are there? Yes. More than 100 organs are there in our body without any functions. Among that, one is appendix. So, sir, appendix present in our body, but it is not working. Then any other animals are having working appendix? Yes. The animals, those who are eating grass eating animals are called ruminant animals. So these ruminant animals, they are also having appendix, and it is functional also there. Because these ruminant animals, when they eat grass in their body, more cellulose enters. Cellulose is one type of sugar there. To digest this cellulose sugar, they are using this appendix. What you understood? Sir, appendix is one organ there in our body, present but not doing any function. Same appendix present in ruminant animals, grass eating animals, in that it is useful there. Okay, here come. In ear pinna, few muscles are there. In this ear pinna, some muscles are there. Somewhat same muscles you find in monkeys. But that ear muscles which are present in monkey, it helps to move the ear pinna. We are having somewhat same ear muscles, but we are not using that. See, without intention you can't move this. But monkeys can do that. So we have ear muscles, but it's not working. They are having, and they're useful also there to them. So my second organ, ear muscles there, muscles of ear pinna. It is vestigial there in human. Vestigial means organ which is not useful, useless organ is called vestigial. So muscles of ear pinna, vestigial there. Vestigial, name a little vest there, like that. Like that meaning don't remember, just to remember I am telling. Vestigial means which is not functional, which is not developed properly, that is called vestigial. So vestigial to whom? Humans. But same it is useful to whom? Monkeys. Two things you have to remember here. One, appendix is present in human, but it is without function. Same appendix present in ruminant animals, where it is functional there. Clear? Second, muscles of ear pinna in human, vestigial, but in same muscles present in monkey, useful there. Now, third one, see. This vertebral column there, backbone there, backbone where ends, no, here one part there, called as a tailbone. What is the name of it? Tailbone. Now to this tailbone only tail was attached earlier. So now we don't have tail, but tailbone there. Understand that, how changes happen in evolution. We don't have tail, but tailbone is present. That tells you that earlier your ancestors were having which type of structures. Getting here? So this tailbone which is present at the end of backbone, this tailbone, any use there to you now? No sir. Tailbones what? Tail only not there, then tailbones use where there? Useless there. Clear? Useless there, then to present. Next. You are having at the last, we are getting here special teeth. Wisdom teeth it is called, wisdom teeth. So this wisdom teeth which are coming at the last, here it is coming at the end of your jaw here. Their chewing you are not doing, no? Chewing process we do here. It comes very late without any function. So the wisdom teeth which we are having, that is also useless there. Now on human body you will find there are large number of hairs are present on body. These large numbers of hair present on body, this is also one type of vestigial organ there. So how many vestigial organs I am having? One, appendix. Second, ear muscles. Third, tailbone. Fourth, wisdom teeth. And fifth one is body hair. Vestigial means what? Those organ degenerated, underdeveloped, useless organ of organism's body is called vestigial organ. Very important definition. They will ask you what is meaning of vestigial organ. So you remember degenerated. Degenerated means some part was there, some only left now. Like tail was there, tail lost, only tailbone left. Like that. Some part degenerated. So degenerated, underdeveloped. Degenerated or underdeveloped useless organ present in organism's body is called vestigial organ. Total 5 vestigial organs you will remember. Appendix is present in human but useless there. Same appendix present in ruminant animals, cow, buffaloes, like that. In that it is useful there. Ear muscles useless to human, useful to monkey. Clear? Third, tailbone useless, wisdom teeth useless, hair on body useless. Clear? Now children, if I want to remember these, if I want to remember these characters, you just learn one word, what am. Simple there. Because all five you have to remember, no? They will ask in exams, name the vestigial organ. Okay? So what am there here? What am there? W for wisdom teeth, H for hair on body, A for appendix, T for tailbone, M for muscles of ear. Just one word, what M. So what M stands for wisdom teeth, hair on body, appendix, tailbone and muscles of the ear. Clear? So 3 questions important there on vestigial organ. 1. Definition. Degenerated or underdeveloped useless organ of organism's body. Degenerated or underdeveloped useless organ of organism's body is called vestigial organ. Okay? They will ask name 5 vestigial organ. What am? Clear? They will ask one more question, that which vestigial organs are there useless in human but useful in other animals. So 2 you have to learn that. 1. Appendix, useless in human, useful in ruminant animals. Ruminant, cow, buffaloes. Ear muscles, useless to human, useful to monkeys for movement. Clear? That much you have to learn there. Now 2 minutes here, see. This one question they asked in July 24 board examination. You have to select this. Your listen what there? These all changes which we discussed, whether it is an internal change there, gradual change there, external change there, quick change there. Your listen is a quick there? No sir, it is slow there. External change there? No. External also there, internal also. Full body only develops, no? So it is not internal, it is not external, it is a gradual change there. Slow, gradual, organizational there. So your correct answer will be gradual change. Next question they asked in March 23. What is question? Vestigial organ dash present in human body as a proof of evolution. Now this question came in March 23. If you see option, human hand, appendix, ear muscle, tailbone. Vestigial organ asked, appendix, vestigial organ there, ear muscle, vestigial organ there, tailbone, vestigial there. Question should come like this, which is not a vestigial organ? Then your answer should be human hand. Question only wrong there. Clear? They asked the vestigial organ. These all 3 are vestigial only, no? Not a vestigial. Then your answer will be human hand. Clear? Now this question, see. It is asked just now. 2-3 months before only. March 26, July 24, March 24, July 20, July 19. So many times question came for 3 marks. Question was there. What is vestigial organ? Definition. How to define? How to define it? Vestigial organ was there. 2 words are important there. 1. Degenerated. Degenerated or underdeveloped. Underdeveloped. Useless organ. Useless organ present in organism's body. So these 3 words are very important there. Degenerated or underdeveloped useless organ of organism's body is called vestigial organ. Clear? Write 2 names of some vestigial organs in human body. Which name 2? No sir. We will tell all 5. What M? What M for there? Wisdom teeth. Say fast. Wisdom teeth, hair on body, appendix, tailbone, muscles of ear. Once again. Wisdom teeth, hair on body, appendix, tailbone, muscles of ear. Clear? All names came. Now, third question say, write the name of those animals in which same organ is used and give 2 examples. Just now I told you, they will ask which organ is useless to human, useful to other animals. 2. Appendix. What will be the answer of this? Appendix. Useless in human, useful in ruminant animals, cow buffaloes. Second, muscles of the ear. Useless in human, useful to monkeys. Clear? Till here any confusion there to you? So we completed up till now morphological evidence, anatomical evidence and vestigial organ. Now next evidence there, connecting link. Children, if you see this animal's name is duck-billed platypus there. Now why this animal is called duck? If you see its mouth, no, somewhat this mouth looks like duck. See this. So its name is duck-billed platypus. Why we are discussing this animal here? Because this animal very special there. Very special also, rare also. If you will see its character, no, you will be surprised by listening this. See here. On their body, hairs are there. So if you see, the whole body is covered with hairs. As well as in their body, special gland there for milk production. Milk giving gland we called as mammary gland. So their body is having mammary gland to give milk and their whole body is covered with hair. These two characters are related to mammals there. Mammal, what there? Mammal is a group of animals which are having mammary gland. So if mammary gland there, milk giving there, then they belongs to mammals. Then sir, if mammary gland there, hair on body there, means this animal belongs to group of mammalia. Means it is a mammal there. In that special word there, special there, this animal gives milk as well as egg. Can you tell any animal there who is giving egg also, milk also? Think on this. Those animals are giving milk, they will not give egg. And egg giving animals, they will not give milk. But our duck-billed platypus so special there, it can do both. Therefore I was telling, very special, very rare. Why? Because it is having such a unique character that it is showing presence of mammary gland and hair on body like mammals, and it will lay eggs like reptiles. Reptiles means who? Those animals are creeping animals are there. Creeping, crawling you can call it. Like turtle, tortoise, crocodile, snake, how they are in that their group, it is reptiles. So reptile like they are laying eggs and mammals like they are having mammary gland and hair. So this animal is showing morphological characters similar to two different groups. One side it is showing characters of mammal, another side it is showing characters of reptile. Therefore such animals we called as a connecting link. Connecting link means they have some morphological characters similar to two different group of animals. Clear? So now you have to learn this. How to learn? Very simple method I will give to you. Just learn here. Mr. MGH egg wale. Mr. MGH egg wale. What it is? Mr. That is Mammalia, Reptilia. Means duck-billed platypus connect which two group? One side mammals, one side reptilia. Mr. Simple. Second, Mr. MGH. MGH is MG for mammary gland, H for hair on body. So this animal showing two mammal character. Mammals character which are there? Mammary gland, hair on body. MGH. And reptilia, creeping animals, which character it is showing? Egg. So egg wale. So just you remember here, Mr. MGH egg wale, Mr. for mammals and reptilia connection doing, MGH for mammary gland and hair on body, egg wale, it is reptilia like it will lay egg. That's it. Simple there. If by using this trick, if you learn 10th no till 12th, you can remember this. Okay then? Now next thing. Now second animal we are having, its name is peripatus. Peripatus animals there, no children. It shows two group character. One Annelida, second Arthropoda. So first question they will ask on this, that peripatus connect which two group of animal? Connect means understanding. It is showing characters similar to which two groups? So one side it is showing characters of arthropoda, insect group there, cockroach and like that. And Annelida is a group of earthworm. You heard about the earthworm. Earthworm is present in soil. It is called friend of farmer. This earthworms group is called Annelida. So first thing you have to learn that peripatus animal connect which two group? Arthropoda, Annelida. Clear? Second, sir, peripatus showing characters of Annelida, then which characters are there? Three. One, on their body there is a lamination type covering there for protection called as a thin cuticle. So cuticle, what is that? Cuticle is a protective covering there on body. Second, on their body you will find such lines are there marking their parts are there, small parts. It is called segment. In this image also you can find on body you will find the lines are there. So such line containing body we called as a segmented body. So first it is covered with thin cuticle, first character. Second, body how there? Segmented there, so cut there. Third, here if you see, for locomotion, to move, to go from one place to other, they are having parapodia. Parapodia like organs they are having for movement purpose. So these three characters which we are having, cuticle covering, segmented body, parapodia, leg-like structures are there for movement. These all three characters of Annelida. Clear? Come here. Arthropoda means which group I am talking? Arthropoda means we are talking about cockroach insect group. Like arthropoda, this peripatus shows two characters. One, it will show tracheal respiration, and second, open circulatory system. Now, what is tracheal respiration, children? How we breathe through nose? For that we are having holes in the nose. We call nostrils. Small holes are there. Same like this on their body, small holes are there to enter the oxygen. Oxygen gas will enter through these holes called as spiracles. Once the oxygen goes inside, it will pass through this blue tube called as a trachea. Trachea is nothing but tube there. So the whole body of peripatus get oxygen through this tube called as trachea. So as their oxygen supply happening through trachea tube, it is called tracheal respiration. Simple there. Oxygen supply through trachea happening. Trachea what there? Tubes are there. So if supply through trachea there, it is called as tracheal respiration. Second, in their body, this is a hard portion there here. So in these animals, blood is not passing through pipes. In our body, how there? To pass the blood, we are having vessels. Vessels are the blood pipes are there. Through that our blood passes. And they are very primitive type there, no? Early animals are there. So they don't have well developed something, right? So their blood is not passing through the pipes, through vessels. It will pass openly. Understand this. So the blood which is there directly it goes to the body parts, not through the pipes. So vessels are absent there, therefore it is called open circulatory system. So you simply remember, open circulatory system means blood passes without pipes. Simple. So respiration tracheal there, circulatory system open there. These two characters of arthropoda there. Clear? So first, peripatus connect which two group? Annelida, arthropoda. Annelida related which three characters you have to learn? Body is covered with cuticle, covering there. Second, segmented body there. And for locomotion purpose to move, they are having leg-like structures called as parapodia. Parapodia like organ for locomotion, cuticle, segmented. These three characters of Annelida, tracheal respiration and open circulatory system of arthropoda. So many characters are there. So many were there, 5 only there. 3 of Annelida, 2 of arthropoda. Get it? If this also difficult feeling to you, come here. Now this animal's character, how to learn? I will give one simple trick to you. See this. This Pari there, here Annie there. Okay. So cutesy Pari and Annie. What they're eating? They're eating patties. So cutesy Pari and Annie eat patties. Where they're eating? Around the tree in open circle. So simple line there. Cutesy Pari and Annie eat patties where? Around the tree in open circle. What it means, sir? Cute means cuticle, body is covered with cuticle. C for segmented body, Pari for parapodia, Annie for annelida. So annelida related three characters are there. Which are three characters? Cutesy Pari. Cuticle covering, segmented body and parapodia for locomotion. Simple, come here. Now peripatus animals, second group it is connected to arthropoda. Arthropoda related we are having two characters. Around the tree in open circle. Tree for tracheal respiration, open circle means open circulatory system they are having. That's it. So peripatus animal shows which two group? Annelida, arthropoda. Annelida related three character upside, arthropoda related two character downside. Clear? Cute for cuticles, C for segmented body, Pari for parapodia. These all characters there, annelidas. Clear? Patties for peripatus, around arthropoda, tree, tracheal respiration, open circle, open circulatory system. So all character in a one single statement. Cutesy Pari Annie eat patties around the tree in open circle. Simple there. Easy way there to learn. If you learn, you learn this. Then what there is this? Characters 3 of annelida, 2 of arthropoda. Use this. You will get. Now third animal I am having, it is called lungfish. It's very simple there. Only two character. If you this animal seeing, this animal we call as lungfish. Looking like fish. So it is one group, it connect fish. Second, usually how their children, if fish there no, then fish is having gills. Gills what there, sir? Gills is one structure there in the fish, in this area, for respiration. So in water they will breathe through gills. If gills are present, then special water, special nothing there. Here special we are talking now. So this animal looks like a fish, but it is not having gills. It is having lungs. Lungs in fish, it is special there. Why special? Because machli jal ki rani hai. Outside the water, if fish comes, it will die. But this will not. Because it is having lungs, so it can breathe in air. This fish can breathe in air. Are you getting? So it's special there. So lungs there and it can come outside the water. It is a frog's character there. Amphibia we call it. Amphibians there. Those were usually living in water, but they can come on land. And on land they can breathe. Amphibia characters are there. So this animal, lungfish, is connecting two groups. One, body like fish and lungs like amphibia. So we say amphibia evolved from fish. Means these animals developed from this. Get it? So what question they will ask? Lungfish connect which two group? Fish, amphibia. Simple. Any confusion in this? Now all three, if you summarize here in one shot, you can take screenshot of this. So your answer will be ready. Okay. Now what we discussed here, peripatus connect which two group? Sir, annelida, arthropoda. Duck-billed platypus connect mammals with reptiles. And lungfish connect amphibians with fish character. Getting? So these animals connecting two different groups. This concept we called as a connecting links. So for 1 mark they can ask to your definition. Some plants and animals shows morphological characters. Which some plants and animals? These are some plants and animals. They are having some morphological character. What is morphological character, sir? Suppose this is having hair on body, mammary gland there, laying egg. These are morphological characters there. So some plants and animals are having morphological character by which they can be related to different group of animals. They are related to different group of animals. Means different group of animals, how related? Same only, no? It is Annelida arthropoda connection there. This reptile mammals connection there. This is amphibia fish connection there. That is called related groups. So how to define that? Some plants and animals are having morphological character. Some plants and animals are having morphological characters by which they can relate it to two different group of animals. This is called connecting link. Clear? Up till now we completed 4 evidences. First it was morphological, second anatomical, third vestigial, and fourth is connecting link there. Okay? Now let's check here how much understanding you completed. Odd man out you have to find out. It is asked in March 24, board question there. You have to odd man out. Duckbill platypus there, pomfret there, lungfish, peripatus. See now. Can you try this? What will be the odd in this? Right. Duckbill platypus connecting link there, lungfish connecting link there, peripatus also connecting link there. This is not a connecting link. It is normal fish there, pomfret. Okay. So this is odd man out there. July 21 they asked the question in board. Wisdom teeth is a vestigial organ. Then lungfish what there? Wisdom teeth is a vestigial organ. Vestigial organ means vestigial evidence there. Then lungfish what there? Lungfish is a connecting link there. Just now we discussed about it, connecting link there. Okay. Now next thing. Here they asked I am a connecting link between reptilia and mammalia. Reptilia and mammalia, who is there? Duck-billed platypus. Okay. Next. Dash is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. March 19 question there. Connecting link between Annelida Arthropoda. Who is there? Duck-billed platypus? No. Peripatus? Yes. It is a peripatus is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Here see children, being a fish, I perform, wrong there here, perform respiration with the help of lungs. Just now we discussed fish which can breathe through lungs. What's its name? Lungfish. Lungfish will be your answer. Okay. Next, pick the odd man out. March 26. Just now asked last paper. Odd man out. Duck-billed platypus, pomfret, lungfish, peripatus. Same question repeated this year. Okay. You will answer for this. Odd man out. Duck-billed platypus, pomfret, lungfish, or peripatus. Comment the answer. Up till now, how many concepts we completed in this? If any doubt you are feeling, please comment in the comment box. So your doubts I can discuss in next lecture. Okay. If you like our videos, please subscribe the channel. We are teaching free of cost. So please share the link with your other friends so they also get benefit from this. Thank you.